Hallo, wie geht's dir? Wir sind Robotrojans STEAMex 6832 und hier ist die Deutschunterricht 1.
Well, what that means is that today's lesson from Robotrojans STEAMex 6832 is going to be basic German. Okay, we're going to teach you some of the most common phrases you would need to learn in order to speak to someone from Germany.
So, for example, hello obviously means
hello. Wie geht's dir means how are you.
Then there's also, you can say wie geht's Ihnen for a more formal way. And here, for example, tschüss is to say bye or goodbye.
Auf Wiedersehen is like a more formal version of this. It means see you later.
And to present with someone, you will say ich heiße, that means my name is.
Okay, then you have a danke, which means thank you, or you could say vielen Dank, which means thank you very much.
And we're going also to teach you the numbers from 0 to 10. So 0 is 0, 1 is 1, 2 is 2, 3 is 3, 4 is pronounced 4, 5 is 5.
Number 6 is pronounced 6, number 7 is pronounced 7, number 8 is 8, number 9 is 9, and number 10 is 10. Okay, now we're going to teach you one of the most used and most complicated verbs in the German language.
That is the verb to be, and in German is sein. So I am, you will say ich bin. You are, you will say du bist. He, she, and it in English is, and in German is er, sie, es is ist.
Okay, now we are, you say wir sind. You are in plural is ihr seid, and if you want to say you are in a formal way, you say sie sind. Okay, now we're going to teach you some of the first basics. Things you
may
most
live in a
likely
competition.
need in a competition.
So das Chassis,
Is the chassis,
der Roboter.
the robot
Now Rot and Blau Allianz.
is Red Alliance and Blue Alliance,
Then if a judge asks you, mein Teamnummer ist,
which means my team number is.
then you can ask someone, a team, woher kommen Sie?
Which means where do you come from?
And you can say, wir sprechen nur ein bisschen Deutsch. That means I only speak a little bit of Deutsch, German.
Okay. Now, if you want to tell someone you're in a specific section of your team, you can say ich bin Mechaniker, which means I'm a mechanic.
Ich bin Programmierer. That means I do the programmation.
I'm programming, and ich bin Geschäftsmann, which means I'm a businessman, that you're in the administration part of the team.
Well, now we're going to teach you the basic questions that start with a W, and they are named W-Fragen. That means questions with W.
Okay. Now, the first one is was, which means what.
Then we have B, that means how,
Wo means where, and woher means from where.
and warum means why.
Those are the most basic questions anyone could ask in German.